Hello everyone, and today we're talking about what's the difference between the words Brawl, Fracas, and Affray. All these words are types of quarrel, which means a loud, noisy argument that can be both physical and verbal. So these words can act as nouns, but Brawl can also be a verb. Let's break them down one by one. Brawl. A brawl is a physical fight, most likely, and most likely in the street. For example, when I was passing by near my favorite diner, I saw several people brawling around. I can't say for what's the reason behind it, but they were fighting with each other. So this is a brawl, a fight that can be between two or more people, and most likely a physical fight. To the next word, fracas. Fracas can be both a verbal and a physical fight, but most likely a verbal and most likely less severe when it comes to a physical fight. Most likely less severe than a brawl. So, for example, it can be like two people verbally arguing with each other, bickering, or maybe slightly pushing each other because of some kind of a disagreement between them. But it is less severe than brawl. And the last word, it is an affray. So an affray is a legal and a law term for brawl, and most likely you can hear this term in a court of law when, for example, there is a judge, defense, prosecution, and for instance, they're hearing a case about a brawl, and most likely they will use the term affray, a legal and a law term for the word brawl. So, that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.